Virgin Money Home Insurance Review, Usage Experience. Links to Virgin Money products are available in the description below. In this video, we'll be reviewing Virgin Money Home Insurance, a reliable and customer-focused insurance provider known for offering tailored coverage at competitive rates. Virgin Money provides two primary options: building insurance and contents insurance, with the option to combine them for comprehensive protection. Let's dive into the key features and what makes it a strong contender in the home insurance market. Virgin Money's building insurance covers the structure of your home, protecting against common risks like fire, storms, flooding, and theft. This policy ensures your property is rebuilt or repaired if something happens, providing peace of mind for homeowners. On the other hand, contents insurance protects your personal belongings inside the home, such as electronics, furniture, clothing, and appliances, against similar risks. For extra protection, Virgin Money offers the option to add accidental damage cover and theft of personal items from outside the home, which can be extremely useful if you travel or store valuable items outdoors. One of the standout features of Virgin Money is its flexibility. Their policies allow you to customize your coverage, ensuring you're only paying for the protection you need. For example, if you're a renter, contents insurance alone might be sufficient, while homeowners can opt for building insurance to safeguard their property. This flexibility ensures that Virgin Money is accessible for a variety of different needs. Another important benefit is Virgin Money's discounted premiums for customers who have other Virgin products, such as credit cards or loans. The insurer also has a reputation for excellent customer service and hassle-free claims processes, which is essential when you need support the most. Their online platform is user-friendly, and they offer easy access to claims, making the whole process efficient and stress-free. In conclusion, Virgin Money Home Insurance is perfect for those looking for affordable, flexible, and reliable coverage. Whether you're a homeowner or a renter, Virgin Money offers tailored solutions to fit your needs. For more details, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below.